Oh yeah! I don't know why I shouted like that. What's up, buttercups? How are you guys doing on this magnificently golden day? So, in this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys why the Nissan 370Z, my Nissan 370Z, is so terrible on the track. It's so bad. Oh no, stock. Pretty much stock Nissan 370Zs, or at least with like stock components like suspension, all that. We are here at Willow Springs Raceway, and so we're gonna see exactly how golden, or how not golden, the 370Z is, because I've had this thing on track before and it was just not very good for reasons I'm gonna explain to you once we get on the track. It's pretty funny actually. The 370Z doesn't really have very good, what's it called? It's not very good on track. One is because it is as fast, as good as powerful it is. Nissan on the standard one forgot to put, you guys can't even hear me, but they forgot to put, I don't know if they forgot to, or they just neglected to put, what's it called? An oil cooler on this thing. So when you downshift a lot, corkscrew. Oh. Woo. Oh my gosh. It sounds so good. Woo. I'm sorry I'm not speaking in this video because I am just concentrating a little bit too much. Oh God, my oil temperatures have skyrocketed. Right now, my oil temperatures are reading like 300 degrees, which is terrible. Oh my God. Oh crap, that Miata just spun. Oh my God. But yeah, one of the problems is the temperature. The oil, it doesn't have an oil cooler built in. It doesn't have an oil cooler built in. And so, it is just not very good at holding its temperatures very low. And so it's just bad. Oh my God. Another reason is the suspension is not just that very good, because this is not the Nismo, it's the regular 370Z. And so if you're just using the regular stock suspension, it's not very good, and so you have to get new suspension. But by far the biggest problem is just that stupid oil cooler. Oh yeah, this thing is, oh. Wow. Okay, he's struggling, he's having problems shifting now. Oh, because everything is just so hot. Oh my God. It's terrible. Oh no. Brakes for sure. Oh my God. I'm just gonna take it slowly because the oil temperature is literally terrifying the crap out of me. What's up? Ah, crap. The oil temps are still like super high. Really? Yeah. So Miguel is taking the 370Z out, and yeah, hopefully he doesn't crash it. Oh my gosh, because the oil temperatures are really high right now, because obviously I don't have an oil cooler. That's one reason the 370Z is not very good on like stock track. So I need to pretty much get a new oil cooler, and yeah, this is gonna be golden. Oh my God, look at Miguel. So Miguel, how was the first time in this golden 370Z? How terrible was it?
How terrible was it?
Yeah.
Not at all.
The only reason, I think me and Miguel couldn't push it because it was already, oil temperatures were already super hot, and I'm in the beginner class, he's in first time, and so first timer is after beginner, and so he couldn't push it, and so yeah, he did the best he could with an oil temperature that was almost 300 degrees, which is terrible. So I need to get an oil cooler. So I don't know why Nissan would make a car without an oil cooler in it. I literally don't know. And it's a 370, it's supposed to be a sport model. So Nissan, get your crap together with the next version of the golden 370Z, or the next version of whatever this platform is going to be called, the next version of the Z. But I'm gonna skip one of my lap times so I can let Miguel go out and experience the car, and hopefully, please God, I'm praying that he doesn't crash it. Please don't crash, Miguel.
Right fresh, please, if you hear this, I beg you. Please just say.
The video would have already gone live then, so whatever has happened.
Alright, upload it right now, Elvis.
Upload it right now. Oh my gosh. Yeah, Miguel is tripping, so I don't know what he's doing. Well, first of all, I ran out of gas. That was the first one. And then second, I literally ran out of gas like mid-track. It was the most terrifying thing ever because I lost RPMs. Like, yeah, I'm just gonna point. That is considered nudity. So I'm gonna point it. But yeah, I lost complete. Like, it was very terrible. What are you doing? But I went to go get gas and now I'm back. Oh, that S2K looks so good, so good. Oh, I love this track so much. I'm so sorry for this over. Oh, I'm so sorry for this video is over. I completely forgot to tell you guys that I'm gonna be going to an influencer invasion organized by Normal Guy Supercar, Dan. Yeah. I don't know why I froze there. But it's gonna be from the 7th to the 9th of June. And we're just gonna hang out where there's like it's a 3-day event. We're gonna go to Coda. We're gonna go to get food, go on track. And so if you're an influencer, or if you watch this channel and this is for influencers, and so if you are an influencer I forgot exactly the amount of followers and the amount of Instagram things you have to have, but you should pretty much reach out to Dan, or just reach out to me and tell me that you're coming, and then I will reach out to Dan and let him know all the info. But I'll put the information in the description below and also put it on the screen so you guys can take a look at it. And so if you guys want to take part in it, it's gonna be golden. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this golden video, and I will catch you guys in the next Magnificent Golden Drive. Bye.